For me, anatomy is so exciting because it applies to everything. Everybody has a relationship with anatomy, even if they're not studying anatomy, not involved in it.
The School of Anatomy is unique because it's the only school of anatomy in the UK, and everybody is really, really committed to the student experience.
We are very unusual in that we have human anatomists and non-human anatomists or comparative anatomists within the same building. So we have facilities that are specialised for teaching human anatomy and animal anatomy.
It's a hub where veterinary, dental, medical, functional, applied anatomy gets discussed, studied, taught. There's a lot that these disciplines can learn from each other.
Our teaching is very practical and hands-on, so you get a nice interactive and participative experience as a student.
The best thing about the School of Anatomy is the variety of hands-on learning opportunities available here. During my first and second year, I had a lot of practical and dissection sessions.
Not a lot of unis offer that opportunity to actually do cadaveric dissection, and in our second year we dissected a human from head to toe.
The environment here is inspiring. We want our students to be curious, we want them to be reflective, we want them to be passionate about what they're studying.
My favourite element in second year was visualising anatomy through imaging, where I was able to expose to all sorts of different clinical imaging modalities.
One of the ways that we allow a personal experience within the Applied Anatomy programme is through the dissertations, which students take in the final year.
They work with different members of staff within the centre. We have members of staff with lots of different expertise across all different aspects of anatomy, and students can tailor an experience to the sorts of things they're interested in. One of the key features of the School of Anatomy is that we have this breadth of experience, we have this breadth of expertise, but we're also a really welcoming community.
Studying here really gives me a sense of belonging. The student community here is absolutely amazing. I was able to get to know everyone in my course.
My advice to prospective students studying anatomy here would be that there are many graduate options for you, whether it be studying dentistry, medicine, veterinary science. The options are so broad, and the staff here are very supportive and are always here to help you achieve your dreams.
It really is a unique experience and something that's very special.